Ishiboy and Guru in the house, back with another bang on video. Well, ladies and gentlemen, unbelievable news about the future of Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang. Well, he's actually pleased to be on Barcelona's wish list, but he wants his future settled sooner than later. And also there are claims that Arsenal skipper's representatives in January met the Barcelona chiefs. The Luis Suarez injury has actually made Barcelona him the primary target for them. And the problem is that Arsenal hierarchy refused to budge, and they want to tie down their striker to a new contract, and also have actually slapped a £50 million price tag as well on the Gabonese forward. And not only this, the Premier League clubs will be allowed to sign players on temporary contracts if the season continues beyond the expiry of their current deals. Hundreds of players, including stars at Arsenal, Chelsea and Tottenham, have contracts that expire this summer. The Premier League is currently suspended up until April 4th. And let's see how things will pan out to be, because there are fears both will have to extend their delays further as football attempts to combat the spread of coronavirus. Euro 2020 was postponed by a year on Tuesday to allow domestic seasons to be completed over the summer if possible. Let's see. Moving on. Santi Cazorla wants an emotional return to Arsenal as a coach. The Gunners legend left the Emirates in 2018 following an injury-hit campaign before signing for Spanish side Villarreal. He wants a proper goodbye, doesn't he? But moving on, Tottenham are reportedly set to beat North London rivals Arsenal to the signature of Chelsea winger Willian. Oh my God, let's see how things will pan out to be. But what's going to happen to Arsenal in the top 4 race? Well, UEFA President Alexander Safarin has denied claims that Liverpool will be crowned champions if the league is cancelled due to coronavirus. Well, he says it's all fake news. He says, I've saw and heard some fake news that UEFA will advise leagues to finish the championships now and decide that the winners are the ones who are number 1 now. I can say that is not true. Our goal is to finish the leagues, and we didn't recommend anything like that to any association or league. Well, Sky Sports customers have been left raging after being forced to wait over an hour to cancel their subscriptions. The broadcasting giants have given their customers the opportunity to pause their payments due to the impact coronavirus has had on sport. Almost all sporting events across the globe have been postponed, including the Premier League football, until at least April 3rd. Let's see how things will pan out to be. Moving on, the Premier League clubs face a whopping £750 million fine from Sky Sports and BT Sports if coronavirus ends the season early. Top flight clubs could enter an ugly battle with the broadcasting giants for a potential breach of their contract. Oh my God, they're fighting over money because of the disease. I mean, it's not something that they set it out, did they? I don't know. This is shit. Guillaume Bayag has actually said something on Santi Cazorla. He says, going back to Arsenal with Arteta is something that I think he'll consider as a coach. I asked him about it and he said, yes. I tell you what, Arteta and Cazorla together, really good friends first of all, but really special minds of football. That's really has a good ring to it, isn't it? But moving on, Shkodran Mustafi has been named in Who Scored's Premier League Team of 2020. Congratulations, Shkodran Mustafi. Unbelievable. I mean, the way he's come back is really, really commendable. I love it. I really, really love it. Wow. So these were the news of the day. I hope you enjoyed whatever came your way. All the views and news and everything about Arsenal comes on this platform every single day, twice. So make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon, because when you do that, you get 2 videos about Arsenal every single day. I will see you in my next video. Until then, cheers. And don't forget to follow me on my socials. I've provided my Instagram account. You can always follow me on my Instagram to know me up close. How am I as a person? You won't find much posts. I'm actually starting to post more on it, more frequent. And not only that, you can actually DM me, talk to me about Arsenal, because these are the times where football is actually is what we are missing. You can always do that. And also, I provided you my Twitter. I share with you all my collaborations on Twitter. I'm all at different platforms where I make those collaboration videos with them, so you can always check them out. So I'm always active on Twitter as well. You can also always DM me on my Twitter. So follow me on my Twitter, follow me on my Instagram. I will see you in my next video. Until then, cheers.